In this video, we will show you how simple it is to set up Qminder queue management system with Apple TV. When you have connected your Apple TV to your TV, go to the App Store. Search for Qminder and download it. Now it will appear in your list of apps. Go ahead, open it. You will be presented with a code, which connects that specific Apple TV to your Qminder account. Log in and navigate to the Locations list. Then select a location. Go to the TV section. Please type in the code from the TV to this field and click Add TV. Now your Apple TV should be connected to your account and showing your waiting list. By the way, you can configure the view on the TV even further. For example, you can limit which service and waitlist are shown, or whether the line name is visible on the notification screen. Depending on the size of your waiting area or store, consider setting up multiple TVs. In this case, naming them is useful. Furthermore, you can change the specific behavior on the TV when the served customer's name will disappear from the screen. We hope that with this solution, we can help you provide the best customer service possible.